didn't sleep for 48 hours. I try to take every day I trade. If you sit there and look the charts every day, you're going to lose a lot of money.
Today, I have a special guest who understood the concept of discipline. I want you to tell us about you before trading.
Just a broke student. Have that ideas of getting rich one day.
What came into your mind the moment you saw the lifestyle and the flashy everything?
Why not me? I have to try on my time. You'll see 21 years old or maybe 19 years old driving Lamborghini.
Did you look for mentorship, or you're like, let me go to YouTube and then I start teaching myself?
I just say, why not me? I have to search someone who can give me the knowledge with a short time of period so that I can be among them.
I know prop firms, they require a lot of discipline. What are those things that helped you keep yourself in check to be a disciplined trader? When it comes to trading, anyone can learn and understand how the market operates. And remember, we normally tell you that understanding the technicals or how the market moves, it's very easy. But I want you to ask yourself as a trader, ask yourself a question. Why is it that it's easy to understand the market, but unfortunately, 90% of traders give up on Forex trading? This is a good question to me and you. Why do you think people run away from making money? Is it about the strategy? It is about the capital? Is it about risk management? In today's episode, I'm going to help you understand why is it that people give up on one of the best money-making skill. Why is it that people run away from something that we normally say it's easy to understand? Very easy for you to understand the market. Many people can learn how to use indicators. Many people can learn strategies. Many people can learn how to be in any trade. But the most important question is, why is it that many people have failed to be consistently profitable when it comes to Forex trading? So on today's episode, I'm going to help you know the best ingredient that you need to be a successful trader. And the funny part, it is not even about technicals, it is about you. As a trader, you who's watching, you've been in the market for 2 years, but you're not profitable. You know a lot, you know every strategy, you know every indicator, you know liquidity, you know everything. But I want you to ask yourself, why is it that with everything you know, you've failed to be profitable? Maybe the problem is not technical. Maybe the problem is not risk management. Because remember, risk management does not make you profitable. Risk management helps you stay in the game for so long. Because if you don't lose a lot, you can be in the industry for so long. But remember also, losing $1 when you have capital over $100, you're going to eventually blow the account. So on today's episode, I'm going to help you find out, how do I stay in this business for so long when I'm adding one component to another? And there is none other than what we call discipline. Discipline is what separates a professional trader from an amateur. How do you handle yourself when you enter trades? How do you handle yourself when you're losing? How do you handle yourself when you're making money? What is the backbone of trading? The backbone is discipline. Welcome back to the Bombo podcast. It is your host, Osman Lakan. And today, I have a special guest who understood the concept of discipline. Because discipline is the backbone of Forex. Without discipline, even if you have the best strategy, it might be a little bit hard for you to make money. Remember, discipline builds mindset. Mindset is what makes money. We all know that mindset is what makes money. But even if you think like the professional traders and you do not act like them, you will never be profitable. On the Bombo podcast, I told you, we discuss reality. We discuss financial freedom. We discuss what you need to hear so that you can help yourself and change and be a better trader. So with me is a very good trader who has been trading for the past 2 years and is going to tell us how has he managed to handle himself, and he has seen results that I know some of you are there, you know, you've been in the market for 3 years, you're not seeing results, and you're going to be like, it's impossible to do whatever he has done in a very short period of time. So welcome to the Bulls Podcast, Abdurrahman. You can say hi to the viewers.
Hi everyone. The only thing I'm encouraging you is build discipline for anything else.
Okay.
When you have a discipline, you can manage yourself and sustain long in the market. And when you don't have any discipline in life, you're going to fail.
Yeah.
Not even only in trading, even in real life.
Definitely.
You're not going to reach far.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Okay, so Abdurrahman is a trader who has practiced discipline. But of course, it didn't just happen magically. He has his highs and lows, and we are going to listen to his story, learn a few things about him, and we see the formula he created that helped him be the kind of trader he is. He's a prop firm trader, and he's going to help us understand, is there a difference between the discipline on a live account and the discipline on a prop firm? So Abdurrahman, I want you to tell us about you before trading.
Before trading, Abdurrahman was just a student like anyone else, just a broke student who just have that ideas of getting rich one day, trying to help your family, those who help you when you are in need.
Okay.
And for us in our culture, we help each other when we are not in a good position.
Okay.
So when I finish studies, I say now, what then? What can I do? Because in your qualifications in anywhere in the world, it takes time to get, to work on it. So I tried some business, didn't go well as I planned it. And I saw some Forex traders on, online, those flashy cars and flashy life. And I say, why not you?
Okay.
Just try on. That's why I discovered Forex Pulse
Okay.
on a advertisement ad. Some guys who are embracing the school saying, you're in a good position now.
Okay. So if I might ask a question, like, you're trying different things and they're not working out. When you saw Forex and then you're like, people are posting, flashy lifestyle, did it look legit, or at first you thought maybe it looks like a scam? Because every time we see someone young making big money, everyone is mind, oh, the guy is a scammer. What came into your mind the moment you saw the lifestyle and the flashy everything?
It takes time to believe in it.
Okay.
If this thing is real or not. But at long last, I just say, why not me? I have to try on my time.
Yeah.
You'll see 21 years old or maybe 19 years old driving Lamborghini.
Yeah.
300K car.
Yeah.
So that's mind-blowing thing of Forex trading.
Yeah, because when you see a lot of people who call Forex a scam, they don't believe that it is very possible for someone to own something so expensive at a very young age. I think most people just have that, traditional mindset that for someone to be to be rich, they should have worked for like 20 or 30 years. And the world is evolving. Many things are changing. So now after you believing that it's possible, how did you make that step? Like, did you look for mentorship, or you're like, let me go to YouTube and then I start teaching myself?
For me, what helps me is my life is I'm not like, old people are they have different mindsets.
Yeah.
They are not the same. I just say, why not me? I have to search someone who can give me the knowledge with a short time of period so that I can be among them.
Okay.
Then I say in Kampala, in Uganda, I'm Uganda now. I have to search a best school which I can learn this business. Thank to God I saw it and I just come here.
And then you just
directly,
came.
yeah.
Exactly.
I didn't waste any time even.
Perfect. So now, most people think trading can be self-taught. According to your experience, this is a debate I've been having over and over. According to your experience, do you think it's possible for someone to be self-taught? If it's possible, do you think how long is it going to take them to actually be profitable?
Yeah, that's a nice question. There's nothing bad, but someone tells him believe in himself that he can be what he wants.
Yeah.
But without a guidance, you cannot go far. I know some friends, most of them, they are in how long? Like 4 to 3 years now. In this,
Trading?
Yeah, they are traders now. But they are not going anywhere. They're just wasting their time. It's just jumping another strategy to another, coming back the previous one, doing nothing, no discipline, no nothing, just doing only chats. And randomly, you can win today, maybe lose tomorrow. In my belief, in even life, a person needs guidance, someone to guide you on the right path. So without mentors, you cannot do it. In my belief.
Yeah. Okay. So personally, I also believe that, because I know for me to cut the journey of anything, I just need someone to give me whatever they used so that I don't pass through the same mistakes that they passed through. Most people, we tell them to get mentors, not because we want you to pay someone, we tell them to get mentors because we don't want you to do mistakes the mentor did. Because what the mentor does, it is going to help you cut your journey short. So let me ask a question. Now you get the mentorship and everything. Did you deposit the money right away after the mentorship, dreaming of that big lifestyle? What happened after the mentorship?
I made a mistake. I put the money inside this hole. Inside this hole. I remember I was sitting there back that floor.
Okay.
I posted like $200 on the Xness. And I make a profit on that day.
Oh, wow.
$70. Instead of withdrawing it, I just keep it there. And
you wanted more.
Yeah. I took another trade, another trade.
Okay.
So sometimes whatever your mentors or your teachers tells you, you learn in the hard way.
Oh,
Out the easy way. Your mentor says, don't trade on this day of the news. Stop, take trades after that time. Stop over trading, and you say, let me see fast by myself.
There's a lot of money in the market.
Yeah. Then you feel it.
Yeah.
That's when I stopped everything and refresh my mind. And even I talked to you last time, I say, I'm not improving. So you told me one word that I lock it in my mind till now. Just go back your books and you will get everything from there.
Yeah.
I just take the books. There were two now, two books. One for myself and one from what you told me.
Okay.
I just took the books, just revised them, and see what's wrong there from there. Then, alhamdulillah, I'm okay now.
Definitely, because we know when we are teaching, we tell these guys to always take notes.
Yeah.
Because at times you might ask me a question, and the answer is actually in front of you.
Yeah.
It's just in front of you. So now, did you lose the money you deposited, or you grew it to some good money?
I just blow it, leave it.
How long did it take to blow the money?
It was like 4 days.
Like 4 days?
4 days.
Like $200?
Although like for the first 2 days, I was in a good profit.
Okay.
Just that's when greed comes in. I say, oh man, I can make 500 within a short time of period.
Okay.
Then boom.
And then you blow, everything goes. Yeah. The funny part about trading is you can grow an account from $100 to maybe 500, but one random mistake can take the 500 in a day. Because I've seen a lot of traders struggling, like someone has grown their account from maybe $100, they take it to 300 in maybe a month. And now they just do one random mistake and all the money is gone. What do you think is the problem there? Why do people grow money and then eventually blow it? Because I would believe if someone has managed to grow an account from 100 to 300, now they know what they're doing. What do they now end up making? A random mistake and then they just lose everything.
It's only one problem. It's called a greed.
Greed.
Yeah, greed. It's greed. You feel yourself that now you are out of the zone you are previously.
You're the goat now.
You're the goat now. You know everything.
Yeah.
And greed comes in.
Okay.
When greed comes in, you're going to lose everything. Okay. You're going to lose everything. And that's when you start, even some you're going to cry inside, not outside in the eyes, inside. That's where greed is going to kill your journey of trading.
Okay. So what is greed? Like, how can someone understand greed?
Greed is like, for example, if I give you, now, for example, if I give you $100 and you see me having like 1,000 of it, greed is like having what I have and tell me, give me more.
You want more.
Yeah, you want more. And this market rewards the discipline, not the greed ones.
Okay.
If you come every day in a plan, you have a plan, I need every week to get the market 1,000 or maybe 500, whatever your mind suitable of. The moment you add $1 from that time of period, that's what you call greed. And you're going to lose everything from that time. Because you're going to, first of all, you're going to force the market and make it, just take random trades. You're going to violate your
rules.
For example, by day, you have to take 2 trades. You're going to take like, well, how much? 7. That's violation of rules. Then you are going to lose everything.
Okay.
And you say, what's wrong? What have I done wrong? I was even you are following your rules, the technical rules, you're going to violate what?
The technical rules.
The mental rules that you wrote on comes from your mind. That you say, I'm going to do that thing for the rest of my life.
Okay.
That's what kills your trading.
All right. Okay. So greed is basically wanting more than what you decided to get. Yeah. Because I believe if I enter the market, everyone who enters the market, you're supposed to enter when you know what you want for that day or for that week.
Yes.
So the moment you see it and now you want more, then greed is kicking in. Exactly. And now greed might end up taking everything. And now when you look at greed, I think greed is what triggers revenge trading. Because if I wanted $100 and then I see it, but then I want more, and then I even lose the other $100, now I'm going to come back and I'm like, I want my $100 that I had made previously. Yeah. So I think that actually triggers a lot of emotions, and that is when people end up blowing their accounts. So now back when you're done with that journey of struggling and everything, when did you realize that you're actually going to start making money from the market?
I start when I saw the prop firms. I just saw $100 cannot give me enough money.
Okay.
Because when you calculate money, you will understand how money works.
Yeah.
So having $100, the percentage of maybe if you try to gain 3% of $100 is how much?
3% is $3?
It's $3.
Yeah.
What if that account is 1,000?
That is like $30.
$30?
Yeah.
100,000 is 3,000.
3,000, yeah.
So I changed my mentality to prop farm.
Okay.
So prop farm, they are a bit challenging and they have strict rules. But if you want to gain more from these markets, you have to go to prop farms.
Okay. So wait a minute now. You wake up in the morning and you're like, the money I'm depositing on a broker's account does not bring the returns that I actually want in life.
Yeah.
You get, because what you've talked about, $100, if I want 3% from $100, it's going to be $3, which is very, very little money. It does not make sense having access to $7.7 trillion when you're just making a profit of $3. So now you take a decision, let me go to prop funds. That is something that actually traders, I don't know how people view things when it comes to trading. If someone takes a step to go bigger, do you believe they are money-minded, or they just want to see big returns that correlate to their goals?
Everyone comes here to gain money, first of all.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you waste time on chasing $100, you're going to stay there. Even if you make, how many TBs for the whole month? You trade 22 days, right?
Yeah.
If you get TBs for 20 days and you are trading a small account, doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, if you're targeting actually at 3%, you're going to make $60.
$60 for the whole month.
Wow. And that is very little money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if that 100K, even you can buy 3 prop farms in $100.
Yeah.
The small ones, 5Ks.
Yeah.
That it's a good return on it.
Okay. Now, I think now when it comes to increasing your return, because maybe there's something I'm going to talk about after you discuss something, maybe having little money could be another reason why people are actually not profitable.
Exactly.
Do you believe that?
Yeah, I believe it.
Yeah. What can you say about that?
Yeah, there are some good traders out there. They know what they are doing, but what kills them is lack of capital. Yeah. If you have the capital and you know what you are doing, you're on track. You don't fear, you don't have anything because you hit TB every day with a small account.
Yeah.
For me, I was trading 6 months demo. 6 months. I was trading only demo accounts. Oh, that FOMO, that I get, that scary I get from that time. I lose $200 of Xness. I just leave it there. I open and small account of I remember it was 5K of demo account. I make it 15.
Yeah, okay.
For the first month, 1 month. Then I increased the account. I took 25K of demo account. I just added another $10,000.
Wow.
That's when I believed myself. I say, now I know.
You know what you're doing.
Yeah, now
it's
I know
now
what
time
I'm
to
doing.
go to big money.
To big money.
Absolutely. Maybe if I can mention something about small accounts, it's very possible to grow an account. Like it's really, really possible. But the only problem is when it comes to discipline and how things are supposed to be done, it is really, really going to take you a long period of time for you to grow an account. For example, if you deposit $100 and you're targeting 3% per trade, 3% per trade, that is going to be $3. So let's assume you're a very good trader and you take 22 trades in a month and then you win 20, a very good trader. So now 3% times 20, that is going to be 60%, which is $60. Now, if you look at the return that you've actually got, is a very small return. And remember, once you deposit $100, you're expecting to pay yourself maybe weekly or daily or even at the end of the month.
Yeah.
So you realize, number one, your account is not going to grow because of you have responsibilities. You have to withdraw some money. So it is really, really going to take you time to see yourself growing every time you're trading with very little money. And that is where prop firms came in, because prop firms help you get access to the big money. But still, before you access prop firms, we want you to first confirm, just like Abdurrahman did. First confirm that, can I grow money? That means you're going to first try a demo account, get that mindset of big money, and then maybe eventually you can know.
Let me interrupt you with you once. I remember some guys, those guys I was telling you, they're in 4 years now. They used to mock me for trading demo.
For trading? They used to call you a demo trader.
Demo trader, oh.
The king of demo.
Yeah, you know nothing. I told them, it's okay. I'm going to read time. There's a time when I'm going to make money.
Yeah.
Just stay there.
Yeah.
For the next year. It was 2025.
Yeah.
They were having small accounts, maybe 500 accounts, 1,000 accounts. They are making money, but in other hand, they are losing it.
Yeah.
Because if they take maybe 3 trades, although they were over traders, I know them. Most of them they were over trading, but their accounts they are not growing well. Yeah, they are not growing.
Yeah. And remember the pressure. You know, when we come into Forex, remember we all come with a lot of problems.
Yeah.
So you realize someone deposits $100 and then they start dreaming of buying a Lamborghini, building a house. But when you look at the capital they have, it cannot do nothing to the dreams that they are having. So you took a step of now going to prop firms. I know prop firms, they require a lot of discipline. What are those things that helped you keep yourself in check to be a disciplined trader?
As I mentioned previously, when you know what you are doing, it's good for you because you are going to reach very high place.
Yeah.
in terms of prop firms, most of them, they are too strict for beginners like me. And most of them, they have lighter rules that are suitable for your environment to trade on, especially funded pips. They have their rules, even they are tight, because they will not allow you some,
Over risk.
over risking, how can I tell,
Trading
news,
Yeah.
so many things. Although they have, every prop firm has an hidden rule, but for them, they make everything possible for traders.
Okay.
So for me, what helping me to pass accounts on prop firms is being a discipline, being stick to my rule every time on. I used to stick on my rule.
Okay.
I stick to my rule. That's what helps me on passing an account.
So what is the rule that you stick to?
It's simple. It's only taking a few trades per week.
Okay.
I take three trades every week. I don't force the markets, and I just see it. If I took all the three loss or maybe SF, I just leave it for the week, for the whole week. Never open the chart. Just do whatever thing I supposed to do for that week.
So now you tell me, there's a lot of people that actually fail prop firms. What do you think is the biggest reason why people fail to pass prop firms?
The main reason for them is when you want it depends the account that you are buying. One which there are three sections into prop firms. One is called instant. Although there's an hidden rule there.
Okay.
One is which is called phase one. Only it has only one phase to pass it, and the other one is the
Two phase.
the normal one we know is the two phase one. So the only thing you need when you are going to pass the phases, especially the phase one, you have to go aggressively. What I mean aggressively is not blowing your account,
Okay.
but just risking 2% of that account, initial account. Then when you take that trade, if it gets the other way, stop it from there and just come another day.
Okay.
Risk it 0.5%.
Oh, wow.
make
So you cut the risk now.
Risk, yeah.
Okay.
So that you can come on the track, previous track.
Okay.
After that, when you see if you get that TP, just wait another good trade, A+1. Make it 1.5.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Then you are in there.
You're back to maybe
back
to profit.
Profit,
To the
yeah.
initial
Initial
capital.
capital.
Yeah.
Then try 2% again.
Oh, wow. That's a very good formula.
Yeah.
Most people when they go in drawdowns,
Yeah.
they're thinking of now increasing the lot size so that they can come out super fast.
No.
Yet they don't know. Sometimes now your psychology is disturbed. You might do a random mistake and go in deeper drawdowns the moment you increase your lot size.
Yeah.
Well, that's a very good one, Rahman, there, guys. If you're in a drawdown, what you're supposed to do is you cut your risk. Because now remember, psychology has a problem. Being in a drawdown is going to disturb you. So when you cut your risk, if you get profits, you're building confidence again, and you're also coming back as a trader.
As a trader, yeah.
Exactly. So the reason why most people blow accounts is because they don't follow some rules, right?
Some rules, yeah.
Is it because of the prop firm rules or their own personal rules?
Their own personal rules. Because prop firms, when you are passing account, they are not going to even interfere with you.
Yeah.
They are not there even. They're going to talk to you when you are doing the KYC if you pass it. That's
Yeah,
when they
exactly.
are going to start.
Yeah.
So it's up to you and that machine which is there, that program.
Yeah. At a trader 5.
Yeah, exactly. So you have to do it in disciplined way. And first of all, let me help you one thing. When you are in a prop firms, just don't take any random trade.
Okay.
Just look one which you think and comes on all your categories and take that A+1. That's only 2 trades can help you to pass it.
Okay. So do you believe prop firms can even help a trader improve on their display?
Yeah, because they will tell you you cannot trade news.
Yeah.
And if you do it, They just want
You're going
you.
to breach that
Yeah,
rule.
no. First of all, I know funding bips. They're going to warn you first of all. The first,
Okay.
they're not going to take you their
Right
account.
away.
And the second breach, that's when you
You
lose the
lose
account.
everything.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. So trading prop firms can help you when it comes to discipline. The fact that they have a lot of rules that you're supposed to follow. I also remember I got the most discipline when I started trading prop funds. Because they have those standard rules. Now you realize if you pass the prop firm following those rules, it's the same thing you're supposed to do when you deposit money on a live account.
Exactly, it's the
You
same thing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You just have to bring also the rules, because if you manage to respect someone else's rules, why don't you?
Why not yours?
Definitely.
Yeah, why not yours?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So it's very good. Like you guys, you've been in the prop firm world for some good time. Are you managing a prop firm currently?
Yeah.
Which size account?
It's 100K.
Wow, 100K. Live account, or you're still in phases?
No, it's going to be live soon.
You finished the phases?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a very, very interesting one. So traders, think about it. Right now, you're managing 100K US dollar. I don't know what is going through your head right now, but maybe you can tell some people out there how it was when you're trying to chase and pass the phases, and how you feel currently that you've passed the phases. You're expecting, what is your expectation of the first payout?
You're going to feel now you don't need any work. You're going to feel that you are your own boss. You're going to work for. You come to the charts anytime you want.
Yeah.
And let me add one thing. The more you are into charts, the less money you will make.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you sit there and look the charts every day, you're going to lose a lot of money.
Okay.
Just come random 3 days for the whole 5 days. Just take your trades and just go.
Okay.
Don't waste a lot of time on analyzing. And that thing called, for me, I have told you previously, I don't do back testing.
Okay.
Yeah. I just do only journaling.
Okay.
I just take a journal, I learn from my mistake,
Okay.
I write it down, and just keep it there.
Okay.
And I change it. I don't do it
Again.
Okay. So, prop firms are the savior of the new traders.
The new traders.
Yeah.
The ones that are lacking capital.
Exactly, yeah. Because they are going to give you a lot of capital that you can trade. And if you make, for example, for the first withdrawal, and you lose the second, the account, you are in a good position because you can buy two.
You have
to
capital
three.
already.
Still, you have a capital,
Yeah.
and you know how to pass it. Imagine you are using your own capital. How much will you feel?
Yeah, definitely. The pain will be different.
Yeah. It's different even. So that's it.
Okay. So someone reaching that level of a live account, there's a lot of excitement, because I've seen a lot of traders, they can easily pass phases, but now when they reach a live account, they are too excited and they just end up blowing everything. So you, as a trader who's on a live account currently, how are you managing yourself so that you can cut the excitement, you can cut the pressure, and you keep on following your rules?
I didn't change anything.
Wow.
I just go on the flow I was in previously.
Okay.
I just reduce my risk, my trade, and expect less from the prop firms, from the first trades.
The first payout.
Yeah, first payouts. And I do scale ups, buy another account. So that even if I'm not sure if I'm going to lose this one tomorrow or not.
Yeah, sure.
Because no one knows what market does. Yesterday, there was a random news which bobs up from there.
And many people lost money.
Yeah. No one knew that news was going to come. So you have to buy maybe 3 to 4 accounts and trade separately.
Okay.
Each of them. 4 trades per month is enough for you.
It's enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Because many people get excited the moment they come to a live account and they just end up blowing it. Because someone is now managing 100K live, they start planning for payout of 20,000, 30,000.
That's what kills them.
Yeah.
So you have to reduce the expectation from the pro farms first of all.
Yeah.
If you come here to gain fast,
You're done.
this business is a legit business. Just behave it like a business.
Yeah.
So just expect it like 2%. If for the first month, 2%.
It's good money.
Yeah. The second month, buy another pro farm account.
As backup.
Yeah. If you don't have a capital to use for your daily life, you have still 2% of money of that initial capital you have it. Just use that money for your expense.
Okay.
And just lie with that another account, pass it.
Yeah.
Now you have 4%. If you make, 2 TPs from the same 2 accounts,
Yeah.
you have
That is big money
that's
there.
a big money.
Yeah.
Just scale up day by day.
Yeah.
By the time you reach 10 accounts, you're good to go.
You have big money.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think diversification is really important, like planting your seeds in different gardens. I think it's a very, very good one.
Yeah. Don't carry your eggs in one basket. Don't do that.
Okay. So tell me, what are things that someone is supposed to do to be a disciplined trader?
Yeah, you have to have something you plan first of all.
Okay.
Just don't come here just randomly and say, I'm going to take like 5 trades per day. And discipline comes within yourself. What you do, your daily activities, and your life, how you live when you are not in this business.
Okay.
The way you live. That's when discipline comes in. If you are not in this discipline position, when you live outside the box of this
trading,
that doesn't make any sense. You are not going to be, a disciplined trader.
Oh, wow. So discipline comes from right on the other side of life, and then it reflects in trading.
Exactly.
So you, as a trader, what has helped you in discipline that is outside of trading? And what would you tell someone out there to do that can help them be disciplined traders?
Just wake up early in the morning. Do some exercise if you can. Even if you are doing planning in your backyard, and just taking, some good meal.
Okay.
Just think yourself before everything else. The way you live is the way you make your life better.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So trading is going to just reflect on the person you are outside of trading.
Exactly.
So if you're not disciplined the other side, it is going to just reflect even on this other side.
Exactly.
So the key point to take here is first work on discipline out of trading, then it is going to just reflect in trading.
Yeah.
Because we normally tell traders when you're standing in front of that chart, it is going to just reflect on who you are. It is just a mirror. You're not going to be, for example, you can learn from a profitable trader, but because of you yourself, and you fail to be profitable. So let me ask a quick question here. Is there any time you ever felt like giving up on trading?
Yeah.
When was that, and what brought that?
It was one time. That day I lose. I take the loss. And the other day was I was doing random. I was taking just random trades. I came there, although I was trading a demo account, but I tried to take every day I trade, every day. 24/7, I was in the chats. I remember even I didn't sleep for 48 hours.
Wow.
It was 2 days, yeah. I just sleep like 2 or 1 hour. Just small nap, but not a real sleep. And I just say, now it's time to quit this thing. Throw it out.
Yeah.
You're not going to go any
to
far.
manage this,
But I remember, I'm a martial artist. I do martial arts. I remember what I was doing in martial arts. I've been doing it like 3 years now. And I say, in the beginning, when you are in the white belt, you know nothing about martial arts. You are just a blank page. How can you take a quit now?
Okay.
I just say, no, I'm not going to quit.
Okay.
Whatever it takes, even if it takes like 10 years, I'm going to do whatever I'm doing it here.
Okay.
And thanks to God, now I'm in a good position now.
Okay. What is that reason that came back to you and you're like, no, I'm not quitting this?
I just see the people that outside the, trading.
Yeah.
You see some a person that works for the whole 30 days, and his salary is, you can make it like quick. You can make it just 15 minutes for the whole month, what he's expecting to get from that job, 9 to 5 job. And what motivates me is the karate, most of it. Other than anything else, it's the karate, because karate is, there's a saying there, motivation, discipline beats motivation.
Okay.
If you're in a disciplined way, and you come every day, will beat that person who was being motivated by someone else.
Yeah.
You say, oh, you can do it. You clap for him every day.
Yeah.
And when he sees that clapping, he's going to stop, obviously.
Definitely.
But if you are in a disciplined way, and you gain just a little every day, that's when the progress is going to start.
Yeah. And you realize that motivation is just a feeling.
Motivation is just a talking.
Yeah.
For me, I don't even watch those guys who motivate the people online.
Motivational speakers.
Yeah, I don't want them even.
It's just a feeling. It can come and go. But discipline is something you do on a daily basis. It just becomes part of you as a person. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, the key points that we can take here is, for someone to be disciplined, they need to have a good plan.
A good plan.
Is that all they need?
You have to wake up early.
Okay.
Because early bird catches the worm.
Yeah.
If you sleep late time, even your timetable of life is going to be a bit complicated.
Okay.
First of all, you have to have a plan for your life. Everyone knows
lay
what
down
he does.
everything. Yeah.
You have to lay it down.
Yeah.
And that writing is going to help you.
Okay. So writing it is better than just having it in your head?
Exactly. Writing is better, because when you wake up early, you see it, your to-do list on that day.
Okay.
And you're not going to charm one.
Definitely.
Yeah, you're going to do it accordingly.
Okay. Because we normally tell traders, like, it's better to plan your tomorrow today, so that when tomorrow comes, you already know what you're supposed to do.
Yeah.
So there's a very good question I normally see on social media. Do you think trading is gambling, or it is real business?
It's a real business. It's not gambling. It's the way you think.
Okay.
If you think it's gambling, it's going to be
gambling.
It's gambling to you. But if you take it as a business, definitely you're going to make
it is going to be a business.
Yeah.
So what would you tell people out there who say that it's gambling or it's a scam?
Just come in, first of all. Don't just say something you don't know.
Yeah.
Just come in and see it for yourself.
And you try it.
Yeah.
Because you realize many people who say it's a scam or it is gambling, these are people who hear from other people. Someone has never come into the business. Yeah.
Even I remember a friend of mine told me, oh man, this business doesn't work nowadays. I told him, are you one of it? Are you in it? Have you seen it? And he told me, no. Some guy told me, blah, blah. I told him, nah, you know nothing about it, and don't say that.
Okay. So I have a question for you, Abdurrahman. What keeps you going? Because, Forex is not always a straight line. It always has ups and downs. So you, as a disciplined trader, what keeps you going, even if it feels like giving up? It feels like putting everything aside and then you just go do some other things. What keeps you going as a person?
In trading, what keeps me, it's only one thing. It's a discipline.
Okay.
I come here in a disciplined way. I just take I don't take it as a get rich scheme. I take it as a business. As if this thing is my business. I'm doing my own business now. So if you're doing your own business, you wake up early in the morning and you do your business.
And you show up.
Yeah, and you show up every day. Because no one is going to provide for you.
Absolutely.
It's you and yourself. So the only thing that keeps me of doing it is just only discipline.
The discipline.
Yeah.
Isn't it about the life it can give? Isn't it about flashy lifestyle and all that?
I will reach that time, but for now,
For now, it is that discipline.
it's a discipline because
Okay.
I see what Forex can done people's life
Okay.
if you take it in a good way. But if you just play with it, you're going to play with you.
Okay.
Just play with your life.
Okay. So many traders join the industry and many give up in the third month. Statistically, traders give up in the third month of their journey as traders. What do you think could be the biggest reason why people run away from making money?
It's in Forex, when you are doing it, there is something that goes up in your mind immediately when you are stepping. That's emotional psychology. When you cannot control your emotions, you're going to give up.
Definitely.
Give up for not even 3 months. For the first month, you say, man, I cannot draw lines for the whole of the.
Yeah.
How can a grown man draw these things for the whole of the day?
Definitely.
And they say, I have to search a real job. Because people, they don't believe this is it's also a real job. Let me add one thing. What I love Forex is you can make one day like $1,000 for only 2 hours.
Yeah.
Someone struggling and grinding and, putting CVs every office to get even to work like $300 for the whole month.
For the whole month, yeah.
For the whole month.
Yeah.
Can make 3 times of it
in 2 hours.
In less than even 2 hours. So, and encouraging the youth nowadays, you have to come.
And they learn Forex.
Yeah.
So why do they run away? Like, look at the business you're explaining, but then people just give up. Emotional psychology, what exactly does that mean?
Because their life outside Forex is not fixed well. Because if you fix your life outside the box, outside Forex, you're going to reach, not even Forex, even the real life.
Yeah.
If you're strict to your rules of your life, you're going to reach far.
Definitely.
But if you are just like someone who does everything, you're not going to do well in life.
I think most people that give up, they don't just give it enough time, because at the start they expect to perform at their peak, yet they don't know nothing.
And also they come just on hype. They saw something and they say they're not committed. Committed. That's the right word.
Yeah.
It's committed to do it.
Definitely.
Yeah. To see the fruits of what they have done.
Okay.
They just plant a tree and just leave it there to die.
The moment it does not grow, they feel like it will never grow.
Yeah, Forex is like a bamboo tree.
Yeah.
Just, you will see nothing from
for the first 5 years or even 10.
5 years, yeah. And soon of sudden, boom, it's up.
Comes out.
Yeah.
Okay, so people are not committed. That is number one. Number two, people want quick returns. They're not willing to put in the work. Number three, they have their emotions are weak, because when it comes to trading, it is a business that involves a lot of money. And now something that involves a lot of money, it needs you to have a very strong mindset. Just imagine finding a cleaner and you make them a manager to manage a company worth $1 million US. Those two things do not correlate. The mindset of a cleaner does not add up to the money that you're putting them to manage. I think many people because that is actually, we even have a saying, trading is not for everyone, because of the mindset. You're entering into a business where you have access to $7.7 trillion. So now when you come with a very weak mindset, with a poor mind, it's going to be really hard for you to actually get money from this market. So now, Abdurrahman, in your final remarks, what would you tell traders out there? What is the most things they're supposed to focus on? How do they handle themselves when they're trading prop firms, so that they can see themselves maybe being like you? Because many traders have tried prop firms. This is your first time to try a prop firm.
Yeah.
And you've passed it to a live account.
Yeah.
Many have bought over like 20. They're just blowing.
It's only one thing only. Just patience and have patience and believing on yourself that you can pass it.
Definitely.
And add the discipline on it. When you add the discipline on it, nothing, you are going to crash on it.
Yeah.
You're going to crash on it. You're going to make, withdrawals. So if you don't have that patience of doing it, just don't waste your time, brother.
Don't waste your time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I think everything just needs patience. So you guys have had Abdurrahman. What we are emphasizing in this episode is what we call discipline. And discipline, if you don't know the definition of discipline, discipline is doing what you're supposed to do, even if it feels like not doing it. Showing up when you don't see results, coming in on a daily basis, but the more you push, the more you're going to get bigger results. Because most people don't know that you can be pushing something and you're not seeing any movement, but then eventually in a blink of an eye, you just fly to the upside. Just like the market, you take a trade, it consolidates.
For maybe like 2 days. You can hold at one trade like 2 days.
Yeah, it's just consolidating.
It goes to your entry point and
it comes back.
It goes to
almost your stop loss.
Then comes back.
Yeah.
I saw it several times.
Yeah. And then the trade ends up hitting your take profit.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Even I share with you some of it.
Yeah, definitely.
Even some trades I missed out. That trade last.
The gold trade.
No, the other one of GU.
Yeah, the GU trade. Yeah.
I told you I was out from the laptop.
Yeah.
You know the way it went. So trading is not just even if you see that trade went the way you want and you are not in it.
Okay.
You're out of it. Just don't force it and say I have to take care. This market is going to come back.
Definitely.
So now they have to wait. Just leave it there. Don't force it. Tomorrow is better.
It's another day.
Yeah. Tomorrow is another chance.
Exactly. So we just have to show up on a daily basis, because when it comes to Forex trading, money is already there. That means there is hope. There is hope that I'm going to reach and I make the money. But now if you just give up along the way, sometimes we even give up when you're actually approaching where the money is. There is something we call the power of compounding. Compounding can be in money. Compounding can be in you improving yourself as a trader. For example, if I want to get a nice body, showing up in the gym on a daily basis means one day I'm going to reach that dream body that I'm looking at. By you coming today and then you chill for the next 5 days, it does not make sense. That is when you don't see results and you actually just end up giving up or chilling the business. Yet you might end up giving up on the best business that would have changed your life. So thank you so much, Mr. Abdurrahman. Let me hope you guys have really learned from his insights, his experience as a prop farm trader. Prop farms will help you master discipline, and discipline is key when it comes to Forex trading. When we are teaching psychology, what we focus on is identity. That is helping you be disciplined and see yourself growing as a trader. So don't run away from the business just because you haven't seen results yet. Discipline means showing up every day, even if it feels like it is not moving your way. Remember the Boss Podcast, we discuss reality, we discuss discipline, we discuss consistency, patience, and most importantly, financial freedom. We are not going to lie you. We are going to show you that what you think might be wrong. What you think might not be the right way how things are done. I've made a lot of episodes and I see a lot of comments of you guys saying it is not possible for someone to be profitable in 5 months or 6 months. Let me give you a quick one. What matters the most is finding the right formula. It is not about time. It is not about taking 40 years, because that is not how it's supposed to be done. There are so many things that have been accomplished in a very short period of time. Let me give you a case study of these two companies. I want you to just go and do research on them. Apple was founded in 1976, and then Nvidia was founded in 1993. If you look at those two companies, Apple is older than Nvidia. But right now, the most liquid company with the biggest market capitalization is Nvidia. Someone would ask themselves, how did it perform better than someone that is older than them? Maybe Nvidia came with the right structure, with the right plan, with the right formula to make more money than Apple. And remember, Both of them are in technology. So don't have a poor mindset of thinking that it is going to take you so long to achieve something. The question should be, do I have the right formula to achieve something? And if you do have it, trust me, you're going to do things that people have not done in a very short period of time. It has been your host, Osman Lakan. Make sure you subscribe, comment, tap the link in bio and join our communities. Tell everyone about this podcast because we are helping you see the reality so that you can understand how trading operates. See you on the next episode.